The next tab we'll explore for an asset is the Service tab. Navigate to this from the main asset page. The Service tab is designed to streamline workflows for service technicians and managers, making asset management simple and efficient. Here you can schedule services, track their completion, and receive notifications when services are due. When servicing an asset on site, you can temporarily disable alarms from the controller using this toggle. This prevents unnecessary notifications being sent while work is underway. Once the service is complete, switch the toggle back off and click the Service Now to mark the service as completed. After completing a service, or when an asset is first created, you can set the next service due date. Use the calendar pop-up to enter the date manually, then click Save. Propitect will automatically send notifications when a service is approaching. You can also schedule services based on pump runtime. For example, set the next service to occur after 500 run hours. Be sure to record the current pump hours to maintain an accurate service schedule. Pump runtime schedules can also take advantage of the Auto-Increment feature, which is configured in the Asset settings. See Video 6, Editing and Managing an Asset. After completing the first service, you can set a recurring service frequency, and Propitect will automatically notify all the relevant users by email when the next service is due.